Tesla shares are trading in an extremely dangerous area between important support and resistance lines. However, if you ask me, Tesla could easily go up again, and there are some signs in the market that suggest we could recover and even look for much higher levels. So let's see what's going on here. Let's talk about Tesla, let's talk about the indices, let's talk about the challenges they have from now on and what to expect next. My name is Nathan, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's take a look at, this is the weekly chart, right? This chart over here is very interesting, but let's start with the daily chart. Here on the daily chart, Tesla is confirming what we already discussed yesterday. It is having a very hard time right now because the indices are clearly bearish. We see the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average above the price, and apparently it is acting as a resistance level right now. Only if Tesla breaks this 21 EMA over here, we're gonna see Tesla entering bullish territory again. While Tesla remains under this 21 EMA, the situation will be very difficult for it. On the bright side, we are still above very important support levels, namely the $240, this black line down here, and this purple trend line, which connects the previous bottom levels on Tesla since April this year. So what is this? What's this called over here? This is a classic trap zone because Tesla is between this support area and this resistance line over here, meaning we could easily trigger a breakout to any direction, okay? We just don't know to which direction. If you ask me, in my humble personal opinion, we are gonna do an upwards breakout. Why? Because the indices are looking quite interesting right now. We see that SPY closed this gap and it is trying to react. Today we are going down. We are making a massive bearish candlestick. However, we broke yesterday's high. We traded above yesterday's high and we have yet to lose yesterday's low. So it feels like apparently we are making higher highs, higher lows, short term speaking at least, right? QQQ also found a very important support level over here. It is also making higher highs, higher lows, short term speaking. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart over here, we see this movement better, right? And right now, okay, we are around a support level again, near the 21 EMA. If QQQ reacts again, if it breaks the previous resistance level over here, the previous top level, great, it is going to resume the bullish sentiment on the 1 hour chart and probably it is going to resume the bullish sentiment on the daily chart as well. And by trading above the 21 EMA, what's the catch over here? The catch is that we are still quite bearish, right? Because QQQ, just like SPY, made a lower high, lower low. So we gotta see QQQ making higher highs, higher lows from here in order to resume the bullish sentiment, in order to reverse this bearish sentiment over here. All right. And this is why Tesla is facing such a challenging moment right now. And I do understand you guys because, okay, we are dropping, we are correcting. We apparently September is indeed a bearish month, right? I saw in the beginning of this month, I saw many people saying, oh, Nathan, September is a bearish month. We should be careful. Yes, indeed, we are dropping. But honestly, I don't believe too much in calendar effects because these guys are the same people who are saying to sell in May and go away, right? And since May, in May, Tesla was at $160. If you sold in May, and you were still out of Tesla, you would be missing a 54% upside right now. So yeah, I don't take calendar effects too seriously over here, but I still, okay, September, we are down, we are clearly correcting. Honestly, we could be worse because we are dropping minus 3.35%. if we look at SPY over here, it is dropping minus 5%. So Tesla is clearly more resilient than the rest of the market. And seeing Tesla struggling around a support level over here, while the rest of the market dropped too much and Tesla didn't, and we see the market right now, we see SPY around the support level 2, just like QQQ. To me, I think this could be a very interesting opportunity on Tesla. Remember, guys, if you really want to buy, always buy near support levels, not near resistance levels, not after the bullish movement already materialized. This is the biggest mistake that I see people making around. This is the biggest mistake of retail traders. And I see this, for instance, let me tell you guys this. I see this phenomena here on my channel, for instance. When Tesla starts to drop, when Tesla starts to correct, the entire market is also correcting, I see that people simply lose interest in Tesla. Even my views here on this channel start to drop a little bit. And this is very sad, because it is usually when Tesla is dropping, when we see Tesla near support levels, when the situation seems to be hopeless, we see the best opportunities around. Because usually, from a technical point of view, it is usually in moments like this when the risk-reward ratio is more attractive. It is very simple, but still, I often see people scared, anxious about it. They don't even want to look at Tesla, and this is very problematic. You know, there is a psychological effect called the ostrich effect. We are just like ostriches. When an ostrich is in danger, it puts his head underground and thinking that, okay, the danger is gone. However, the danger is still there. And what is worst, its entire body is still exposed to the danger. We are just like ostriches. When we see our stocks going down, we feel anxious, we feel stressed, we don't even want to look at it, we lose interest at it. But it is precisely when we see corrections that we see the most amazing opportunities. And this is why retail traders usually miss the best opportunities around. They miss the bottom, and they want to try to catch after the bullish movement already materialized, after it is already going up. This is very problematic for retail traders. And this is why you should subscribe to this channel, because I'm here every single day, keep you guys updated on Tesla stock. You know, where else are you going to see a random Brazilian guy, retail trader, using technical analysis to talk about Tesla, the indices, etc., using an AC/DC shirt, right? Wearing a Nintendo 64 hat, talking about Tesla and ostriches in the same video. So come on, subscribe to this channel and please click the like button to support me. Your support is highly appreciated, my dear friends. So yes, Tesla is inside a trap zone over here. Only a crystal clear breakout is going to bring something new. Nathan, what if we lose this support area downwards? If we do lose, again, I do believe we're going to see an upwards breakout next. But if we do see a downwards breakout, I believe Tesla could seek the next support level at $217. Now, what if Tesla does an upward breakout, which is the scenario that I am working with right now? Well, if this happens, I believe Tesla could easily seek the $300 next. I mean, we are stabilizing above a support level. See the 21 EMA on the weekly chart, this support level over here at 240. This dual support level seems to be quite important for Tesla, mid-term speaking. So, and this week, we are making a bullish reaction over here. Okay, it is not a great reaction, right? It is not the best reaction ever, but still, it is a bullish reaction. While the indices, we see SPY also making a bullish reaction just above the bottom level of its ascending channel over here. This is very important. QQQ is also making a bullish reaction above the 21 EMA after making a false breakout of the 21 EMA, by the way, just above the $354 over here support level. So apparently the market wants to react. Long-term speaking, on the weekly chart, the market is still bullish. We are still bullish. We are still making higher highs, higher lows. We did a lower high over here, but we don't see a clear lower low yet. So we are on the verge of triggering a bearish reversal, but we are reacting at its most important critical moment. And seeing QQQ, the tech stock index ETF over here, reacting above such important support level makes me believe that yes, Tesla is about to react above its own support level too. And in this scenario, again, $300 is our next stop. Of course, again, guys, there is nothing confirmed yet. I believe that Tesla will go up. Yes, I do, but this is my personal opinion. This is not a buy recommendation. I'm not saying, I'm not telling you guys to buy or to sell anything. I'm just saying, guys, we are in a very dangerous area. We are inside a trap zone. I believe we're going to see an upward breakout. There is nothing confirmed yet. If we do, this is our target. If we don't, if we fail, then 217 is our next stop level. And this is it. If you do want to trade with me, because I am a professional swing trader, just join our Telegram channel. I give you guys buy and sell signals on Tesla, SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, and many other stocks. What's more, you will have access to my own auto trading signals as well as a bonus for you guys. So come on, just join our Telegram channel. Speaking of Nvidia, this week we made a phenomenal trade on Nvidia. We bought over here near this bottom level, and right now it just hit our technical target. So yeah, we have been doing very, very well. So consider joining our Telegram channel for more updates on our stocks. And again, I highly appreciate our audience, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Have a great weekend.